Vegan food is rising in popularity, with vegan restaurants proving that going meat-free can also be delicious. With inventions like the revolutionary 100% vegan Impossible Burger gaining popularity, the days of people thinking that anything meatless equaled a bland salad are over. If you're planning a trip to Kuala Lumpur, you won't have to worry about finding vegan-friendly food because there are plenty of options there as well. And, if you're considering a vegan diet, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, where we'll be posting and updating you on a regular basis. Here are the top 10 vegan restaurants in KL. 1. SUPE Japanese Vegan. A stylish and calming environment is created by cool polished cement, a marble-topped bar, warm lighting, plants, and bamboo. Beautiful crockery and cutlery add to the pleasing aesthetics, while cool jazz tunes enhance the comfort. SUPE Japanese Vegan Restaurant in Bukit Bintang's kitchen team only uses whole, fresh ingredients with a focus on quality, such as extra virgin olive oil and Himalayan salt. On the menu, there are no fake meats or overly processed foods. Dishes are prepared to order, and everything can be made in-house, from wasabi to mayonnaise. The soup tempeh comes highly recommended by the restaurant staff, 12. It's made in-house and coated in a crispy batter before being served with Japanese cucumber and vegan mayo. Location: Unit G2, Wisma Noble Land, 2 LRG Changkat Salon, Bukit Bintang, 50,200 kiloliters. 2. Fittie Sense. Fittie Sense is a great place to eat because everything is designed with healthy eating in mind. There are also no deep-fried, processed or sugary foods here. Their menu has something for everyone, with vegan and non-vegan options. A vegan chili con carne, RM19, and an Eden burger, RM26, with sweet potato, quinoa, and mushrooms are available. They also have daily specials, such as vegan moussaka, RM21, on Thursdays and vegan chocolate avocado tart on Fridays, RM19. Location: 23A, Jalan Telawi 3, Bangsar Baru, 59,100 Kuala Lumpur, Wilayah Persekutuan KL. 3. SALA Cafe. If you're looking for a flavorful meal, you can't go wrong with Mexican-inspired cuisine. Don't worry about feeling guilty because SALA KL's menu only includes plant-based, low-calorie ingredients. That also means no eggs or dairy. Go for light snacks like their protein-packed tacos, RM12, which come with ingredients like seared tofu, spicy tempeh, and hummus if you're saving your stomach for a bite of everything. To share, order nachos, RM15, with vegan nacho cheese. Vegan versions of local favorites like nasi lemak and others are available. Location 1. The Row, 34 Jalan Doraisami, Chow Kit, KL. Location 2. Hartamas AG03A Galleria Hartamas, 21, Jalan 26A, 70A, Desa Sri Hartamas, KL. 4. RGB Cafe at the Hive. RGB Cafe is housed in a one-story bungalow in an old neighborhood on the outskirts of KL City and could easily be mistaken for someone's home. You'll find cozy reading nooks, dining tables, and comfortable sofas to unwind with a cup of tea. If you're dining with friends who aren't quite ready for a vegan meal, there's something for everyone here, as they have vegan, vegetarian, and meat-based options. Pink oatmeal with organic rolled oats, RM13, to vegetarian nasi lemak kukus, RM21, are among the dishes on the menu. Grab a book from one of the cafe's many shelves, and keep your kids entertained with toys and games like Jenga in the cafe's play area. Finish your meal with a slice of cake from the display, or unwind with a long black coffee, RM7. Location: 35, Jalan Damai, Kampong Datuk Keramat, 55,000 Kuala Lumpur, Wilayah Persekutuan KL. 5. Nature's Vegetarian Bangsar. If you enjoy traditional Chinese cuisine but find it difficult to eat because it is usually filled with meat, Nature's Vegetarian has you covered. At first glance, you'd never guess their steamed dumplings and wok fried dishes are entirely vegetarian. Steamed barbecue Vegemite bun, RM6.80, and Sumai-style steamed mixed veg dumpling, RM6.80, will satisfy your dim sum cravings. Alternatively, try their Assam fish, from RM20, or crunchy golden mushroom roll, from RM15. Location: 24 Jalan Telawi 3, Bangsar Baru, 59,100 Kuala Lumpur, Wilayah Persekutuan KL. If you like to get updates on the latest food in this country, do click on the subscribe button to support this channel. 6. The Ganga Cafe. The Ganga Cafe, located in a quiet old neighborhood in Bangsar, has long been a local favorite for Indian cuisine. They have an extensive fully vegetarian, egg-free menu, with vegan options available upon request. You can order dishes to share, have your meal on a banana leaf, or order à la carte dishes such as a Punjabi-style breakfast of chana bhatura, RM 11.80, a puffed flatbread with chickpeas. If you're dining with others, share a Hyderabad dum biryani, RM 20, and a bindi masala, RM 15, 4 Singapore dollars and 94 cents, a gluten-free curry made with lady's fingers or okra. While you're at it, order some plain palak, RM 10, and aloo gobi, RM 14. Location: 17 Lorong Kurau, Bangsar, 59,100 Kuala Lumpur, Wilayah Persekutuan KL. 7. M. Laboori Cafe. M. Laboori is located in the busy and bustling business district of SS2. The humble and wooden doorway entrance would give you a cozy feeling, making you eager to see what is waiting for you upstairs. Their nyanya curry, which cost 9.90, was delicious. Savory with a perfect balance of coconut and heat. Feel free to add more sambal if you like it spicy. The recommended mushroom pizza had a light, thin crust and a generous amount of toppings. There's a lot of mozzarella cheese, broccoli, zucchini, cherry tomatoes, eggplants, and olives in this dish. It was a delectable dish. Location: 55A, Jalan SS 275, SS2, 47,300 Petaling Jaya, Selangor, Malaysia. 8. Barat Lifestyle Vegetarian Restaurant. Barat Mediterranean Vegetarian Restaurant in Bangsar is a great place to unwind, relax, have a good conversation, and satisfy your palate. A vegetarian journey through Mediterranean cuisine infused with local herbs. Barat brings people together through real food, demonstrating how world-class meal does not have to include imported ingredients, rare spices, or even meat. Their menu is primarily comprised of local produce farms. Responsibly by local farmers in order to create fair trade, earn more, and eliminate the middleman, allowing us to obtain fresher produce at a reasonable price. Location: 19, Lorong Kurau, Bangsar, 59,100 Kuala Lumpur, Wilayah Persekutuan KL. 9. Wym Kitchen. This place serves a great taste of vegetarian foods and is located in a secluded shoplot house. A cozy atmosphere makes you feel at ease. Nice place for breakfast with northern Chinese dishes. For zhajang noodles, their sauce is not overly salty, it is sweet and slightly spicy, and it tastes better with shredded carrots and cucumbers. It's similar to rajak shrimp cakes, but with fried abalone mushrooms. The zhajang noodles, 8.80, dumplings, and onion pancake, 2 are all highly recommended. One thing to keep in mind is that this restaurant does not have air conditioning. Location: 103, Block PB, Jalan Kashkas, Taman Cheras, 56,100 Cheras, Wilayah Persekutuan KL. 10. The Hungry Tapir. The Hungry Tapir is located in the heart of Chinatown, just a 2-minute walk from Petaling Street. There's a reason this place is so popular among vegans and non-vegans alike, and it's not just the Instagrammable decor. The only restaurant in town serving one of the best vegan cuisines for plant-based dishes. They have no other outlets in this country that we are aware of. The restaurant is in an amazing setting in an old colonial shop lot, and reservations are required, especially on weekends and public holidays, to enjoy their food and the restaurant's ambiance. The food served was all very tasty and uniquely prepared and presented, including a satay dish that was just as good as the meat variations. Simple all-day favorites like their yellow masak lemak and rainbow ulam fried rice are as tasty as they sound. Location: 135, Jalan Petaling, City Center, KL. So are you ready to embark on your vegan eating journey in KL? You will enjoy the food here. If you like our content so far, do check out all our other videos. Thanks for watching.